All right, that's it for week 6. A brief summary of what we've learned. We've learned how to produce a simple bar chart, a box plot, and a histogram, all based on one variable. We then looked at visualizing two variables at the same time using either stacked or grouped bar charts or grouped box plots or violin plots, just as one example. Then we looked at visualizing the relationship between two continuous variables using a scatter plot and a line plot. It's fairly simple and straightforward. The ggplot routine is a great approach to visualize anything that you can think of. In future weeks, we're going to learn how to actually fine-tune it and make it a little bit more complex and also improve the look of it a little bit. But the basic routine behind it is simple. You first lay out the graph area using ggplot and aesthetics, and you define clearly what you want on the y-axis and the x-axis and what statistics you want to display within the graphic, right? And in what form, either a bar or a dot or a violin or whatever. And this is how you then iteratively build the plot with different layers, right? And then at the final step, we then do customizing where we add a title, a caption, change the labels, and so forth. We will learn in the future how to add text as well, but this is basically how it works. I really recommend, if you're interested in visualizations, stick with ggplot. There are other approaches to do it, but ggplot offers a lot of customization and flexibility, as we will see in future sessions. All right, as always, I'll flag that we put together here exercises based on the class data, on the student's data set, and also exercises for you to do at home with your own data set. I always strongly recommend working with your own data set and try to build some graphs that you're interested in and try to play around with your own data. It's always more fun, and you can see whether what you've learned in class is actually applicable to your case. And lastly, as always, a link here to figure out find more help on different visualization strategies here for ggplot. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you next week.